Hi, I'm home today because I'm sick, and yeah, I felt the need to make a video. I don't know what to do. This plan is not working. Plan is not working. Feel like crap. I should be doing homework, which kind of sucks because I have to write an essay on abortion for sociology. Ugh. Don't want to do that, so that's probably why I decided to make a video instead. Okay, you guys who watch me, I see how many views my videos get. It's not that many, but there still are, it's some, okay? So, you guys who do watch me, can you, just leave a comment in the comment box, or, or, video response or something, and tell me what you want me to do in, videos and stuff. Yeah. Oh! Yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. I have other channels, which will be right here. Turn on annotations if you don't have them on, because that was my other channel with my friend Ashley, and I don't think I have any other channels like I used to, but they're super old videos that are super awkward. I hate being sick. Ha. But I have most of my homework done. Wrote an essay about education problems. I did my history homework. And then I just have to write the abortion essay and write out an entire storyboard for multimedia. Awesome. Yeah. Okay, I don't know what to do, and I'm gonna just stop wasting your guys' time. Because I feel like I am, because it's sitting here and there's this awkward silence every time I stop talking. So, yeah. Bye. Thank you for watching. Oh, wait! Stop everything! Oh, my voice. Okay. I just remembered something and I forgot it. Oh, yeah. I've been getting a lot of messages, personal inbox messages about my glasses. They're Ray-Bans, and they're awesome. And I got them at LensCrafters. And I'm probably gonna get in trouble for saying the brand and the store. Oops. But yeah, those are the glasses. Just, yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching.